I'm Tom King, lecturer in sport and exercise psychology and chartered sport and exercise psychologist. Our applied sport and exercise science degree offers the main disciplines within sports science, including physiology, psychology, biomechanics and S&C. We also have professional qualifications that run alongside the degree, including Level 2 gym instructor and Level 3 exercise referral.
My name's Dr Chelsea Moore and I'm a lecturer in applied sport, health and exercise physiology at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. All of our students have really good opportunities to get involved with what we do here at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. We offer internships for level 4, 5 and 6 students, which allows them to get involved working with clients, doing fitness testing, and also involve them in research that we have going on in terms of helping with data collection.
I chose to study here because of the range of facilities and the range of equipment that's available to me, the range of modules such as the physiology module, which I really like to do, also nutrition, and I just thought it was a really nice varied course.
My name is Julian Ferrari and I'm Programme Lead for the Applied Sport and Exercise Sciences programme here at Glyndŵr University, and I'm also a Senior Lecturer in Performance Analysis. There are some unique selling points that we feel that we do include within the course that add additional qualifications. Now, in terms of performance analysis, this comes in the form of Huddle Sports Code, and their scripting qualifications. As a Level 5 student, students engage with the Huddle Sports Code Level 1 scripting qualification, and then again at Level 6 they can achieve, if they want to, the Level 2 qualification in scripting.
One of our unique selling points is all of our members of staff are still involved in the applied environment, which gives students additional employability options, workplace opportunities and real-life contemporary examples of applied practice.
One of the things I've enjoyed the most is working in the lab and being able to use the sporting equipment, so it just helped me understand how the body works and how it works in response to different exercise conditions.
We have a brand new state-of-the-art sports science lab which has been kitted out with fitness equipment. We have bikes, treadmills, body composition analysis, Douglas bags, breath-by-breath gas analysis and blood sampling equipment. We also have a brand new strength and conditioning suite which is kitted out with squat racks, dumbbells, Olympic weightlifting racks.
So within the performance analysis strand on the programme, we approach it from two different perspectives. The first perspective being that of biomechanics, and we use some software such as Canovia and some high-speed cameras to track motion, and then look at linear kinematics and kinetics in terms of how they can impact athletic performance. The other branch of the performance analysis strand is that of notation, so using software packages like Huddle Sports Code and NAC Sport Scout Plus to identify elements of performance that can be improved.
As a result of studying this course, I feel like I've really developed a range of transferable skills such as my communication skills, my teamwork skills. This is all a result of my increased confidence which I have developed from Wrexham Glyndŵr University.